Hi Sadie, I'm just going to really do a quick one just to show you where to edit elements. I don't know how this looked like before, but you said you've tried redesigning it, and it is obviously now working because I can type in black. But I think you've probably worked this out already, but when any element that you've got, there's a design tab with a little pen on it. So you can click that and you can go ahead and change, you can move around and change these, but the big point is that you can customize the designs, which is really important. Sorry, excuse my noisy children in the background. Within the design tab, so then you have options to, you could make the field background. Obviously, we don't want to make it anything. I think field background should be clear. But you can change the button. Maybe you want it. These are sort of the site colors that I've used. I haven't really used the purple at all, to be honest. I've kind of just stuck in these three colors. So you could maybe go with the vibrant green, which is a good call to action if you wanted to. So that's the button. Don't worry too much about the borders. This is the border of the box, so you do need that. I wouldn't bother with shadows. And then the text is just set as one of my set fonts, which is fine. But you can go ahead and change the color. Maybe you might want to make it more of a dull grayish blue. Maybe like that. And then also the success message that pops up is green. It's probably a bit full on. So we could change that. Yeah, so you can go through and go into the design and change any of the fields. Here's the user input color. Again, that's a bit of a murky color. We could make it a bit lighter, more of the bluey grey. Also, I'm just looking for the font. Oh, the button text. I mean, we could make it even white if you wanted, although I don't know. That's up to you. You can come in here and fiddle around with this yourself. You can change, maybe make that a bit bigger. So yeah, I mean, I just kind of, this is how I just go ahead and see what I like better. I don't know if that's better or more what you had. I don't know. I would suggest here with this text here, this is just little design things. Bring it across to be the same width as your other elements. Always looks a bit nicer than smaller, and bring it in like that. And the other thing I wanted to show you is that I did notice on the mobile template this wasn't actually showing up on mobile. So always check the mobile. If you've added new elements, go to the mobile view and find it. And I think you'll find here that that's actually that's the bottom of the products. But the actual sign up has been cut off. So what we need to do there is this handle here will make the page longer, and we want to find where that has actually gone. That really is hiding. That's the trouble with the mobile template. Sometimes things get really lost. As the sign up's actually disappeared, I'm going to look in the hidden elements and see if it's in there. Let's see if that's it. Yeah, there it is. It had actually got hidden on mobile. So I'm assuming you don't want it hidden on mobile. You want people to sign up. I tend to make things a bit wider so people can type in mobile. And also sometimes, because that font's looking a bit giant, on mobile I would sort of reduce that a little bit. Often on mobile I make things centered, aligned. And you might actually want to increase the size of the heading. You can just push the little size up just to make it look a bit nicer. And I like to have things in their own space, so I'm going to move the whole element down a little bit. So it's just got its own space for its... So kind of like when you're sitting on your mobile screen as you're scrolling, you can sit and that's the only element that you see. And so then you can focus on that before you move on to the next part. Okay, that's my little video for today. But good job that you're getting some subscribers for that, and I can see that you're getting some messages and you're getting your orders, so I hope that you can find everything in the back end. Just let me know. Okay, bye.